Nest has a very important rule, and that is the best of three rule. Now, students do usually get confused that the paper has all PCM and PCB. So, I am a bio student or I am a maths student. How would I attempt the other paper? So, the Nest best three rule says that your best three subjects would be chosen, and the one in which you are weak would automatically be dropped. So, let's say if you are a maths student, your bio would automatically be dropped if you do not attempt good number of questions in bio and don't score good, right? In other case, if you are a PCMB student where you have both maths and bio and you perform not good in chemistry, your chemistry would be ignored. So best three would be taken. Now this makes it more emphatic that you need to prepare on the subjects on which you are really strong. The next is the marking scheme. Now marking scheme is very interesting. There is +3 -1, so there is a negative marking. However, if you have not attempted any question, there is no marks, that is 0 marks given. The complete paper is of 3 hours, 60 marks for each section. So 4 sections of 60 marks, total 240 marks would be the total marks, and you can practice mock official papers by going through the website. The exam is around 3 hours long, so you can pace your own speed. There are just 20 questions across each subject, so 20 questions across each subject. So time is usually not a foundation. You need to have good conceptual clarity. The next is SMAS, which is something you must know for your NICER examination, NEST examination, and that is selection wise minimum admissible score. So the idea of this is to understand that this changes every year based on the performance of the student. So for general category, it is calculated as 20% of the average of top 10 scores in each section. For OBC, it is 90% of the general category cutoff. For SC/ST, it is 50% of the general category cutoff. And if you fail the criteria for section wise minimum admissible score, that means you are disqualified. So you must clear in all the 3 sections, and this is independent of every section. So it's not across the common merit, it's independent of each and every section. So this was it. Thanks for joining, and of course if you have any questions, feel free to connect back.